Welcome to CBSE English Teacher. Let's look at an overview of the lesson The Enemy for Class 12 English. Let's look at an overview of the lesson now. Introduction of the lesson. The story is set during the Second World War. A Japanese doctor finds an American prisoner of the war at his doorstep. He is in a dilemma that, being a doctor, should he save the wounded man, or, being a Japanese, should he hand over the enemy to the army? About the author. Pearl S. Buck, 1892 to 1973, was an American writer and novelist. She had a Chinese name, Sai Zhenzu, as she spent her childhood in China, being the daughter of missionaries. She was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1932 and the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1938. Let's now look at the main characters of the lesson. The first character is Dr. Sadao Hoki. He is a Japanese surgeon and scientist. He saves the life of an American prisoner of war. The second character is Hana. She is an ideal wife, mother, and a true Japanese. She married to Dr. Sadao Hoki. The third character is Tom. He is the American prisoner of war who is shot and escapes. Dr. Sadao saves his life towards the end. And the fourth character is the general. He is the Japan's army general. He is Dr. Sadao's patient and has faith only in him for treatment. Let's now look at the summary of the lesson. The Enemy is a story set in Japan during the Second World War. In this story, an injured American army man washes up on the beach near the home of a Japanese surgeon, Dr. Sadao Hoki. Although he has lived in America and follows a modern profession, Dr. Sadao's family lives a traditional Japanese life. Dr. Sadao is in a dilemma to leave the American man to die, to throw him back into the sea, to hand him over to the army, or to save his life. He reluctantly takes him home and decides to save his life. The presence of an enemy disrupts his family life. His wife is against his idea of operating upon and taking care of the soldier. The servants of the house oppose the idea and leave their master. Yet Dr. Sadao shelters him, operates upon him, and saves his life. Out of the fear of being accused of sheltering an enemy, he narrates the incident to a general in the Japanese military. The general helps Dr. Sadao and offers to get the man killed by hired killers. However, the killing doesn't take place, and after waiting for 3 nights, Dr. Sadao thinks of getting rid of the American himself. He arranges a boat for the man to help him reach the nearby island. He provides him necessities like food and clothing to survive till he finds a Korean fishing boat which could rescue him. Finally, Dr. Sadao wonders that why he saved the life of an enemy. Let's now look at the theme of the lesson. The story deals with the conflict between a man's duty towards the state and to his own conscience. In fact, the story raises questions about ethics of a human being at the time of war. Dr. Sadao has been brought up in the traditional and patriotic environment. He dislikes the Americans, but at the same time he is a doctor and cannot let the American prisoner of war bleed to death. The story condemns racial discrimination and hails the superiority of humanity above any consideration.